Well, today we're at Grandma Sally's and we're going to put up a ceiling fan. We got to take an old one down, put a new one up, and then we got some blinds we're going to work on. So say hi, Grandma Sally.
Hi. Hi, Grandma Sally.
All right, so we'll get started here. All right, we got to take this globe off first. Just a few screws.
3, I think.
Grandma Sally says there's 3. I would like to note this is perfectly clean. Who else's house do you take down their old ceiling fan and it's perfectly clean?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Turner time. Quit making fun of your mom. All right, let's take this light bulb out. Yeah, probably obvious, but make sure the power's off. In this case, this thing's switched, so we'll check the lines whenever we get up here, but I'm sure we're fine. So far, all we need is a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, we got a little plug here. Have to unplug this. Got that part off. Guess we can take the blades off. I might note that even the blades are clean.
They ain't been clean for a couple of weeks.
Well, they haven't been clean for a couple weeks. Boy, it's awful dirty in here.
Oh my gosh.
Boy, I want to make note of the dirt in there.
Well, I don't clean inside the fan. I'd have to take it down.
Alright, we're just going to double check, make sure we ain't got any power up here. Not bad. A little dirt, a little dust. Got nothing but a couple wires now. The old one's pulled out. All I needed was a Phillips screwdriver to get that done. So. Boring. I can use a screwdriver. Not too bad. Now we gotta clean the dust out because Grandma Sally.
I ain't gonna stand up there and do it. I'll fall. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay. We're gonna put this mounting plate on to replace the one that we did. Just 2 screws, so shouldn't be too hard. Assuming we got the right ones, because as usual, they don't tell you which screws to use.
Oh my God.
Gotta go to the screws that came with the other fan. Okay, after what seemed like 100 screws that I had to actually take out of this thing to put it up here. Seriously, you took screws out to put it up there? Do you have an editor at all? Here I got this hanging, so I think we're going to be hooking up the wires next and then putting some screws back in. We got her home. One screw on this side. We didn't pinch any wires or nothing came loose. We'll be good to go there. so got the blades attached to the hangers. Now we're going to unscrew the screws and mount the blades. All right, that would be the blades. Let's put the bulb back in. Get our globe put on.
So you gotta hook up these little things too.
There we go. We got light.
Okay, 2, 3.
3 should be low. All right, project number 2, do some blinds.
What?
I'm talking to the camera. Project window blinds commence. And I guess we'll take the old clips off. Sometimes regular old screwdriver is what you need. And did that entire light pretty much with just a Phillips screwdriver. Impacts are really handy though. All right, well, since we got the old blinds down, now we've measured, found the center of the window, and basically we got 3 brackets that we've got to mount, and it really doesn't give you exact specifications where they need to go. You just have to avoid a certain part of the blind itself. We're going to basically put one about 9 inches from here, one in the center, and one 9 inches from there, so they'll be fairly centered, and go from there.
And then let me clean out the windows where you hang the blind.
The next day.
Okay, we're back at Grandma Sally's. I left her alone for an evening, and she got the curtains up over here. So obviously we got the blinds up, and I know we missed a step or two, but we got to do this one. So we're gonna show the process here. Okay, so we got 33.5-inch blinds, and they're basically gonna go all the way across here.
Where did you go?
Okay, so we're going to come in about 8.5 inches here and 8.5 inches over here. Put our brackets and screw them in. Slide the blind in. Unfortunately, these brackets just don't fit in these window inserts. They're way too far out here, so I'm not real happy with that. It's not really grabbing like I wanted. We have to go to a longer screw. We're going to have to drill a hole through this bracket so we can get into some meat up here. This is not going to be substantial enough.
Huh?
There we go. That might hold. We'll go with that. Maybe it'll hold.
And if it don't, it'll fall down.
If it don't, we'll always say it should have. Now we'll hang it up. Turner, you didn't even get any footage at the end. Moron.